Hi, my name is Molly, and today I'm in the Books for Keeps warehouse as a volunteer. During sort of when I'm not volunteering, I work at Treehouse Kid and Craft as an art teacher. Some of y'all might have taken my classes. I'm also a mom to two daughters who both go to Athens Clark County schools. Today, I'm here to read a book aloud to you. The book is Cheer, and it's by Uncle Ian Aurora, and it's illustrated by Natalia Moore. So we can see on the cover already, we have a bunch of kids. She's got a megaphone. So let's see what they are going to cheer for. I want us to cheer for the people we know, the community that helps us to learn and to grow. They make our lives better in so many ways. So let's cheer for them all as we go through our days. So, some of you might have noticed there are other words down here. This book is in English and in Spanish. I'm just going to read the English part today, and there'll be another recording where if you want to hear the book in Spanish. Let's cheer first for moms. They help us to blossom. Cheer for our grandpas. They make our day awesome. Cheer for the grannies, the abuelas, the nanas. So there's her with her grandmother. Cheer for the dads. They all act bananas. Cheer for our brothers and sisters who are all super cool, and the funny bus driver who gets us to school. All the kids lined up to get on the bus. Cheer for police, firefighters, and more. The person getting the trash, the one minding the store. Cheer for the teachers who teach us to read. All in class with their teacher learning to read. And the librarian who has every book we might need. Cheer for the principal who makes the school run so well. And the janitor who makes sure the place doesn't smell. That's an important job. Cheer for our pack, for our squad, for our scouts, for our teammates who try extra hard to get outs. So scouts are playing games. Cheer for our cousins, our uncles, our aunts. Cheer for our friends who join in when we dance. Now, cheer all together in one big happy chorus to say thanks to the author who wrote this book for us. Do we think that's the author right there? Maybe. These are the people we see every day. Cheer for each one with the loudest hooray! Working and learning and playing together makes our communities become even better. At the end of the day, no one does it alone, so let's cheer for them all with a big megaphone. The end. Thank you so much for reading with me today, and thank you to Books for Keeps for everything they do for our communities.